Hi, my name is Michael Gallagher. I'm the co-chair of the Mount Pakenham Community Association and the Davison Crescent Residents Association. The following video is here to illustrate our petition to the municipality of Mississippi Mills for the continuation of the road maintenance contract to Davison Crescent. Thank you.
Mount Pakenham is a small but vibrant community comprised of approximately 60 residents within 26 houses. 22 of these reside on Davison Crescent. This humble subdivision was designed as a support for the Mount Pakenham Ski Resort and has a history of doing just that. In 2006, after the amalgamation of Mississippi Mills, Davison Crescent residents contributed thousands of dollars per household to upgrade Ski Hill Road, creating safer access to the resort. Job creation, new business opportunities, housing development, and importantly, an increase in the municipal tax base were the resulting benefits. True to its origin, this community developed a mutually beneficial relationship with Mount Pakenham Ski Resort.
We ran a bed and breakfast here for about 25 years. A lot of people, they would be buying their tickets for skiing, and they say, okay, where can we stay? So they'd refer them over here.
Certainly a hand in glove between the two of us. It was just wonderful.
We both worked at the ski hill in various. That's how I ended up out here. I was on the ski patrol. He was running the cafeteria at the time. They're a huge employer for the area. A lot of our kids got their first jobs working over there. I know my kids did. The township would start doing it, but of course it had cost us money, and then they started going, oh, wait a minute, we need insurance for this, and it just seemed to get more and more complicated over the years.
From 1978 to 2006, all maintenance for Ski Hill Road and Davison Crescent was managed by the County of Lanark and Municipality of Mississippi Mills. The Mount Pakenham Ski Resort and the MPCA funded this responsibility. It came as a surprise and disappointment in 2006 when the corporate owner of Davison Crescent relinquished their commitment to maintain the private road. The only solution was for the MPCA and Municipality of Mississippi Mills to work hard at creating a mutual satisfactory contract to assume all road maintenance. In 2016, Road Superintendent Troy Dunlop offered a detailed cost analysis for a 5-year road maintenance contract. Municipality would perform these services with consumer price index adjustments that would run between $1,500 and $2,000.
My name's Bob Robertson, and I lived at the Mount Pakenham Ski Hill subdivision from 2002 until 2021. I was also the president of the community association at the time that the town of Mississippi Mills decided to take over Ski Hill Road. And prior to that acquisition, we had a long-standing and I think a very good and consistent maintenance agreement for the roads. Once the acquisition took place, the residents petitioned to have Davison Crescent taken over along with Ski Hill Road. When that didn't happen, we were disappointed, but we naturally assumed that the long-standing maintenance agreement would continue on Davison Crescent, since this is where the majority of the residents live. Doubly disappointed that the town wishes to withdraw from the long-standing maintenance agreement of Davison Crescent. You're effectively leaving them stranded.
Now, in 2021, at the end of all contracts, Corey Smith, acting road superintendent, updated the road maintenance quote to a staggering increase of 1,500% at $22,000. To cooperatively manage this issue, the Davison Crescent Residents Association was formed and incorporated. Concerns from the 2016 report were met, and safety measures, including 20-kilometer-an-hour road signs, were erected. The municipality recommended the Dcra reach out to private contractors for quotes. All were met with rejection and dismissal. Along with additional yearly service fees paid to the municipality, 22 households on Davison Crescent pay taxes that support this service. Road maintenance is a basic necessity in any community for growth and survival. The basic needs of access for all emergency services as well as health care support are essential. Delivery of propane, septic, hydro, telecommunications maintenance, and curbside garbage collection are quality of life necessities. Let's also not forget school bus access and courier deliveries. Like all communities, continued road maintenance ensures new business, such as at-home and cottage industries, particularly important at this time of COVID. Neighborhoods must evolve and welcome young families and new community organizations.
Hi, my name's Krista Kennedy. I'm a resident here on Davison Crescent. I live here with my 2 daughters and my husband. I'm a co-chair of our road association, and I'm also a nurse practitioner in our community at the Ottawa Valley Family Health Team. COVID has presented some challenges in resolving our road issues. We've had delays in responses from the municipality. We've had delays in responses from local snow removal companies. We've had difficulty holding meetings with the members of our road association. Generally, life has just been chaotic with COVID. We are very concerned about emergency vehicle access on our road. We're also concerned about continuing to have garbage removal. We're hoping that with an extension of our current contract with you, we can work closely to resolve our road issues over the next year.
The end of the 2016 road maintenance contract inspired an urgency to solve this problem. Despite 5 years of exhaustive efforts, Davison Crescent is still without a road maintenance future. Should the municipality of Mississippi Mills see fit to discontinue services for Davison Crescent and choose to remove snow solely using the first pass route indicated in this overview, another problem will be created. A significant portion of Ski Hill Road that has been assumed but not brought up to standard will be neglected. This will definitely complicate snow removal for Davison Crescent. This is a community in need of your help. There are no other options, no lifelines. We are effectively stranded without resource. Until the Dcra can resolve this issue independently, we ask the municipality of Mississippi Mills to consider our plea. Please continue to provide road maintenance for Davison Crescent.